Hey, this is Vanessa, and today I'll be reviewing the Fitbit Charge HR. Now, if you're not familiar with Fitbit, it has become probably one of the most popular companies selling wearable technology geared towards fitness. This is actually one of the first ones that they had come out with, so mine is a little old, but it still works perfectly well. I've had it for a couple of years now. It's an activity tracker, and it also monitors your heart rate. So this is actually advertised as a fitness tracker for the very active average person, and it also tracks your sleep, which is one of my favorite features. I like waking up and checking, how long did it take me to fall asleep, or how long was I in REM sleep, how many times did I wake up, how many times was I restless throughout the night. I think that's kind of cool to look at. It tracks your continuous heart rate. So it's not just when you're working out, it's basically 24/7. As long as you're wearing it, it's gonna track your heart rate. And it tracks it by uses an optical sensor that uses LED lights to determine your blood flow. So it's pretty cool. So you can wear it on top, just like a regular watch. There's the screen right here, that small bar, or you can wear it underneath your wrist like that. It's pretty close to working just as well as a chest monitor, in my opinion, as far as how the heart rate monitor works. However, I think it doesn't tend to work quite as well during really, really tough workouts. So that's just something to keep in mind if you're into those super tough lifting weights type of workouts. You may not get a really super accurate reading on your heart rate during that time. So onto the rest of the features. It has a small LED display, and then it has a button on the left side. That's how you can see everything. It shows you the time, and you can also get it set up to where it'll also show you the date. Set that up on the app. So each time you press it, it shows something different. So you get the time, and then steps, current heart rate, calories burned, distance traveled, and floors climbed. So I live in New York, so floors climbed is pretty cool because I'm constantly going up and down the subway. So it's just kind of fun to see, what I did that day. This can also notify you when you're getting a phone call. It'll show you the name or the number of the caller. I think it would be really nice if it also notified you of more than just calls. I think some of the newer ones actually do notify you of a text, and you can read the text on the screen. The screen on the newer ones is also a lot bigger, so that's probably why, this one doesn't really have that feature, but it is cool that it'll let you know that you're getting a phone call. It just vibrates, so it's silent, it doesn't make any noise, just alerts you through a vibration. You can also use this to set alarms. Like I said, that would be a silent alarm as well, so you set that up through the app to an alarm for anything, if it'll wake you up or whatever. If you're going to do it to wake you up, it'll do a light vibration until it gets just a little bit to a harder or deeper vibration so it gently wakes you up, which is really, really nice. I don't know, I hate the sound of alarms. It just automatically puts me in a bad mood when I wake up, so a nice gentle vibration is really nice. There are 3 ways to illuminate the screen. One is just by pressing the side button here. The other way is by pressing the screen twice, or just tapping on it twice will do that as well. And then the other way is you can set it to where it'll feel when your wrist is moving up towards your face. So if you want to look at the time, then all you really have to do is kind of move it up. There you go, just like that. And it'll light up, and you can also set what you would like to see when that happens. So when you first press it, when you tap it, or when you move your arm, you can set it up to what you want it to show you. I have mine obviously set up to show me the time. but you can do steps, you can do heart rate, you can do anything you want to do. It can all be customized. You just have to do that in the app. So the Fitbit is made of a silicone. It's a soft silicone material and it feels pretty nice on the skin. The inside of it is really smooth, which is nice. The shape though does make it a little bit difficult to like push it up your arm because it's not really like super round because you've got this like flat part right here. So there you go. It's like flat, so it does make it a little bit awkward, but it's not like really super uncomfortable. It's nothing that like I can't make it through my day because it just bothers me so much. It's for the most part, it's pretty comfortable. The outside of it, I don't know if you can see it, is textured. It has a nice feel to that. It's like kind of like this tiny diamond-shaped pattern. So while the texture is pretty nice to feel, I think that it does cause it to just kind of attract a little bit more dust and dirt than I think it would if it was just smooth. But for the most part, I do really like that it's textured. I think it just gives it a little bit of a different look, which is cool. It straps on just like a watch. It's got several different holes to fit pretty much any wrist, and it comes in 3 sizes. You can get it in small, large, or extra large. Mine is a small, but I could easily have gotten like a large just because when I wear it, I'm pretty much in one of the last rings up here, but the small does pretty much work pretty well for me. And then it also comes in 4 colors. You can get it in black, navy blue, plum, or tangerine. So yeah, it's also water resistant, so it's basically just splash and sweat proof. You don't want to like go swimming or anything with it. You can log your workouts. All you have to do is hold down the side button until the stopwatch shows, and just hold it down and you'll get a stopwatch, and then to end your workout you just hold it down again and it'll stop it. So that's really convenient because then you don't have to grab your phone and turn on the app to let it know that you're starting a workout. So yeah, overall this is a pretty great device. I've had it for over 2 years and I'm still very happy with it. I use it every single day and every night. Connects easily to my phone via Bluetooth. Tracks my activity really well. The app is very user friendly. Yeah, it's just a great simple fitness tracker that still has some really nifty and convenient features. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on the Fitbit Charge HR. Thanks.